Jacqueline, could you bring the Baudelaire file in here, please?
Am I white?
You know what the question I'm asked most in a prison to practice? Why do I do it? Count Olaf asks me, why are you
already, guys. I see like more teeth. I see more teeth in here, guys. Look at this. Look at how much freaking teeth is.
Song that the Spanish call El Theater.
For fame and fortune.
No.
For standing ovation.
No.
For the costumes.
Where are the costumes?
It's here. Oh my god, this one.
Nobody brought the costumes. Stay in the car.
Do I listen to the radio?
No.
Carlos, your sister's sleeping.
Huh?
What's up?
Huh?
Your sister's sleeping right now. Oh, she's snoring.
Ha ha ha.